So in this Google Slides tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the text font or the font of text, however you want to phrase it, here in Google Slides in this video. So once you have Google Slides open up on your device, first thing you have to do is add some text to your documents. We're going to go to the top right here, press on the plus icon, then press on where it says text. And we're just going to go ahead and type in the word font. Nice and simple. Now, if you want to make the font, first off, we'll make it a little bit larger so it's easier to see. Press on font, go to the top bar right here, press on where it says A with that line below it. So right in between for me, the plus arrow and the play icon. Go ahead and press on the A with the line beneath of it. We're going to go ahead and change the size. We're pressing on size right here. And as you can probably tell, right above where it says size, there actually is a button that says font. So right now it's source code font pro for me. We're going to go ahead and press on that. Then we can change the font to whatever you want. So if you want Pacifico font, you can do that. If you want maybe Times New Roman, you can do that. You can basically play around with it, select whatever font you want, but it's pretty straightforward. You can go up as well. We can go impact font. We can go Arial font, whatever the case may be. It's a pretty straightforward progress. That's how you guys can change the text font of some text here in Google Slides. I hope this video helps. Thanks again for watching.